ngathola lo ngathola i-WhatsApp. WhatsApp uthi mkhulu ufuna ukuzibiselela kubantu babulala umntanami. Ngivini ngayiposta nokuyiposta. Ngithi uzibusela kanjani ngifuna ukubabulala. Ithema ngithuke mina ngibulala wangiblock.
Waphuma
kuwe kanjalo. Kodwa hamba isikhathi futhi wathi inyanga enjani engabulali.
Wabuya kuwe futhi.
Athi inyanga enjani engabulali usho ukuthini mayithi inyanga enjani. Mayithi ngiyamphendula ngiblock. So sometimes abantu banokutesta something ukuthi lo muntu lo mekangazelanga vele lokho. Ngiyafuna ukungibona ukuthi ngisebenza ngani kanjani. So ukubulala into engazazi lezo angaze ngizenza ngisithwasa mina sathwasa ukuphilisa nje kuphela. Mina ubuthakathi mengingabelieve kakhulu mfuna nje nama ngibelieve masengiceda ukuthwasa sengibona senginama enemies abantu basikhetela izitha ngami yabona ngicela ukuthi umdazanyilo naye bona ukuthi yangithetha sengibona ngithumela into ezincane nje engazazi ngibona nayo into yasubelela lapha ngathi kanini le kade ngithunyiswe ukuthi ngifuna ukubona ukuthi ngifinyelela kuphi ngamandla wami ngizokuye kutha kanjani manje ngibona ngizokwazi ukuyilwa na.
All right, greetings and salutation. Welcome to Podcast Klapi Kamala Movements. We are back again with another episode. Make sure you do the right thing. You subscribe, you share, and you like. It's Jalo Gututini namhlanje Sutini wakumbona ke namhlanje sige. And also we are available on Spotify. Go there and please listen to the podcast on Spotify as well. Without wasting more time, ladies and gents, boys and girls, give it up for the one and only Dr. Keswa. Mkhulu. Uyaphila.
Siyaphila njani?
Yaphila, finally here. Good to have you. Yeah, uphuma
Fosloras.
Yeah. Yazi mawuthi Fosloras ne indawo lesikhathi esiningi ngicabanga ubumnandi. Ngicabanga what is the mall again? Ngishile of Krizani. Yazi Fosloras like umnandi Fosloras like movuka so cabanga umnandi kusese kanjalo namanje
kusese njalo akushintshini
kusese njalo because like abantu abasuka eKatlehong abasuka Spread View they like to go to Foslo because umnandi bungada
basho njalo abanive
okay all right is all right my kanjalo okay so uqaleni nomsebenzi wokuba isangoma
mase ku 11 years this year
11 years
thwasengina 20 20 years yes
bongafunda isikole
amesenyike nesikole meseyeke isikole athenye isikole ku grade 9
yes what was going on then
lento lezi futhi zingihluphe ngisese primary ne but anaway ukuthi ziya escalate malokho hamba isikhathi so mase ngilongifunde secondary ayimani kuba worse man ba out of control endlini bayabona ukuthi hayi umuntu lo akusesolo simaziyo even though mesimbona ukuthi asisemncane ukuthi une sign yamadlozi nani magogo bangakasifuni izinto lezi khona wathwasa magogo wayeka phansi so since ayekile akasafuna kube nomuntu oqhubeka ngalento le yokunyanga endlini because of yazi into nje abantu bathwasa kudala bathwasa enzima not like nje ngathi so grade 9 ngiyafunda right towards December mesibhala ngiyakhumbula ngavele ngayeka isikolo just like that ngaqala yokulahleka ke ukulahleka kwami ngizilahlekele emzini yabantu izangoma zathi ekseni bavuka bangithole ngilele lapha ya abanye bathi bangithwasisa abahluleka kanti kulokugula lokhu ngisaqwala istrata ngaka understand kwenzakalani yabona until that very same year next year yakhona baqala bahambisa abantwini ekhaya ukuthi at least ukuthobenyana kwenzakaleni but still hayi mokusekuwese bangifuna vele ngithwasa so ngisese kulama process la ukuthi ngisithatha insebenzo bangifaka amabhavu nani I think about 3 days ngavele ngahamba nje ntathakusa ngazibona sengikwagobela just like that azange bangibhakishela ukuthi hayi mina uthwasa lo njani nix into evela yenzeka ntathakusa nje ngaphapha nami sengilapho ngiphapha mase kunabantu engabazi bafuna ama numbers endlini angwazi inhloka ayisasebenzi like brain washed and exceduze nase Foslo nase la ngihlala khona I think kusuka la kuya angazi ngizothi maybe angazi ngiyayichaza kakhulu ukuthi kubhata kusukufana nasendlini so man indlu le ngiyayibona but angikhosho ukuthi ngikuphi until balo bangitreata like ukuthi bahlise lo moya ukuthi bangangishayela igubhu nani ukuthi bazokuthola ifamily yami ukuthi kuphi until about 5 days sengibangcononyana nyasho ukuthi hama ngihlala endaweni so ifone number kabantu bakini unazazi ngenhloko nayo ngibanikeza uyi1 mamkhulu amafike and then makafika vela asho ukuthi lento dala imhlupha sesemncane umuntu lo just ukuthi besingayithatheli enhloko mesithi stole because of mengiquva nokuva that time ngihlangahlangene eguvini mozongithola but still nokungigula anthi mamkhulu amabongo ukuthi hayi vele mina meka la nginankinga kodwa angazi abanye ukuthi bazovuma abasendlini ukuthi vele mela thwasa kodwa mina ngiyavuma so wabanikeza ugo ahead kwenza lo msebenzi lokugajekwa and then Madlozi waphuma Madlozi mawaphuma njalo luckily she was present washo ukuthi ledlozi eliphumile bathu banunyoni yamanzi sikhule sibi babiza ugogo umama ethu unyoni yamanzi sesebancane wathwasa umama bangakazwala magogo so balo bathi hayi mani mamkhulu makuhlala edlozi la hayi mani khona bambiza so ekhaya sibanibani bakuchamuka lo hayi mani uMaria vele ukhona anti wami washona kanje mekuyinyanga then hayi abakuthwasa kwami leyo ndlela le
and it's very strange as like khuluma nabogobela abaningi bangitshela ukuthi esikhathini samanje akusise kaningi ukuthi umuntu angavuka azibone sekagobela
akusukaningi vela akuniseki ukuthi I was fortunate because these days akusekho the way kungakhona because mawungithatha manje ngithi ngiyakubhakishela isawisa ugobile into azambi kahle kuba ngcono at least wena amadlozi wakhe akisa khona ukuzibonela yena ukuthi hayi na umuntu umela ngilungisela kanti nalo umuntu lo uzobona iconnection izoba khona uzoba sakulindile ukuthi hayi manje umntana lo vele dala ngimlindile it was like that lapha kimi
so when on your case were you having dreams prior that
bongabe mina nix mina umuntu uzohluthuka nje kuphela
bona adolescent is strange ne
and ebusuku I used to sleepwalk too sengikhohliwe
sleepwalk
yes mengihlala ngisleepwalk ebusuku ntatha kusa bengihlala sengigadiwe endlini isikhiya mesihlala lapha eminyango sogogo amagcina sabona indaba kubeka isikhiya la ngoba lo muntu osimtholiseka sesitradini midnight so uba ngibe nenhlanhla ukuthi umnyango lwasekhaya usaka sobona lwezenge so mama ukuvula nje mesokuzwakala ukuthi ayikhona umuntu ophumayo so bayabona lapho ukuthi like lungivuka ekseni nje ngime nje ngikhulume ngiyi1 ngizibona ngathi ngikwenye indawo nje engayazi ngiphaphamiswa mphapha ya wena lala wena mangijaya mani kanti ngikuphi la like ingcondo yami engasasebenzi at all cishe vele senkula ke ingcondo
so amaneighbors bebangathi bathakatha ngaye lo
yeah mgogo wami used to say that but lo muntu yasebenziswa because khona la wangisa khona magogo wami sezinyanga just fine izinyanga sikho amacini sezinyanga zibeka into straight uthi hayi lo mntana lo yasetshenziswa bamvalile esikoleni ukuthi angaphasi because I was brilliant yebenza bamthathela incwadi yakhe bamloya ngayo into ifana lezo kanti azikho lento lezo kwakuyidlozi
ebelikufike
ngikufikela hayi ngamnye bedala ngathwasa mina ngibedala ngathwasa bibi ngina 16 ebekudala so magogo wami angafuni man bekamprotect I can say that because wafuyazi ukuthi obunyanga these days accessible
will you agree with me when I say that you had that special gift
yeah I can say because like Guvin most of my friends banongikhumbuza but wezwe wena mona ukukhuluma into mathi uthi sometimes ihleli siphuza lapho uthi hayi man masingaphuma le ndlela la siphume ngapha khona into izwenzakala so and vele yenzakala singaphuma le ndlela ezokusasekuseni bathi khona abantu abanjwe inkunzi lapha and I did say ukuthi asiphumeni so sometimes ngithe wena mele uyekini bakwenzele so nami into le vele ifike njengazifika kanjani leso sikhathi ngiyaphuza abanye bazokuthatha serious abanye bazothi hayi lo udayiwe but in the long run umuntu athi wena azokhumbula wangitshela into esona sungakathwasi futhi ngabona lapho masengithwasa ukuthi shoot into vele khona just nami ngingafuni kuyi accept I can say ngifuna ukuphola kahle ngingafuni ukuthi mina ngize ngibe ngifike la ngikhona ngifuna ukufunda yabona so manje lo ngithwasa lapha nyabona man sengihlahlula umuntu ngimbeka vele straight endaweni yakhe hayi shoot lento le yami I've got no choice into yangihlalisa leyo kahle lapha if bengeke ngasile lento le I would think ngebe ngahamba ngaphuma because I want ukubona vele ukuthi yiyo and vele it was yiyo vele straight
so how deep were you mawutshela abantu indaba zabo
I go too deep
wena bongekho say imagine
ngobela to complain yazi wena uzobulawa abantu just try ledlozi lakho ulidonse kancane ngakhipha amagama abantu ngakhiphi into efana nalezo because masifika lapho abantu sometimes and it did happen masengiyendlini ekhaya ngisese fresh man sesenedumane bantu bahlola lento lekhanda le yamadress
okay yeah all right
I remember last kwazo sese early man think a year a month afika umunye usister bazohlola lahlekelwe endlini hayi ngimhlolele ngisho ukuthi hayi umuntu usona so mina ngisamchazela niza ama hits gcina sengikhipha igama lo muntu loyo so sister sayithatha ngendlela ayithatha ngayo mekafika limazo lo muntu loyo mekamlimaza icase yavulwa utshela ubani so yinyanga so luckily mesenginama documents obunyanga if it wasn't for that ngibe nje isikhuluma into so ngazama ngathobisa ledlozi ngicela ukuthi ngabe ukhipha mana amagama at least nikeza umuntu ihint inyana ukuthi ngaba umuntu osona yazibonele yena hayi ukuthi ngize ngikhipha igama straight because nama inokuyenzeka angisakwazi nokuholda man sekuthi into yami because of imama ngicheck igama lami lamadlozi umhlahlo so umhlahlo uvuyasamelana negama lami so I cannot ngithi ayike ngishaya umhlahlo ngeke ngenze umhlahlo into engiyiyo ayikho into engizoyenza so mina nami ngazi ukuthi mangihlahlubela umuntu ngazi ukuthi ngimngena kanjani and ngizombekela kanjani indaba ukuthi ayithathe kahle angayithathe kahle because uma uthathwa inhliziyo mangizothi okay wena lo yamamkhulu wakho mawufika lapha mawuthi uyambheka uzombheka ngendlela enye kumele unginikeze necounseling ukuthi ungaphakamelwa ngimoya ukuthi handle kanje senze uzoziveza yena thatha umuthi ufuthi aziveze instead of wena umconfront because ufika manje ukuthi uhawusho ukuthi unamba inyanga sozo ukuthi amagama aphumile njani into efana nalezo so into engathi ukuthi ngiyicontrol ne.
Alright, ngifuna ke sithome phasi ke no uspecialize ngani wena?
Yabona ever since ngithwasile ne from 11 years yonke le ngispecialize kakhulu ngama cleansings, abortion cleansings nama miscarriages. So into engathi vele ngispecialize kakhulu because ever since vele ngibuye ekhaya nginokuthola ama patient akhala into efana lezo manje imhlahluba ngithola ukuthi hey lo muntu kumele ulungiselana la izenyazenze side nama court case nyawayenza but le ngispecialize kakhulu kakhulu ama cleansings kakhulu
cleansings good ngama cleansings
kakhulu yes
so ilwazi lakho ngile manzini
abantu bamanzi kakhulu yes mphile emanzini most of the time everything mangiyenza umuntu mazohlola maqeda ukumhlola noma sicala ukuthi kumele athole umuthi sicala emanzini icala amanje manje ngithi ayithatha umuthi futhi awenze everything yenza icala emfuleni.
Okay, so wenzani uhacha amathambo or umprofita
ngehloko amathambo nesibhokufito ngiyasenza nabalozi bakhona
abalozini
ngasho ukuthi umhlahlo abantu bakhuma
through indlebe
yes bayasho like kuyafana nomhlahlo basically abantu bakhipha ukuthi umuntu ogqoke sona so uyenza kanje last mawukuphi bakuhlola from sesemncane baqala ngawo from sesemncane until upbringing yakho soba mkhulu
mshe
especially into ezilahlekiwe balahlekelwa bayimoto so ukufuna umkhondo ukuthi yini ukuphi bakhona ukuthi at least basinikeza indlela
so bakhona ukungitshela ukuthi ubaba ngibani ngingamazi
no lapho I don't think bangakutshela but bazonikeza i-direction I can say direction ukuthi ubaba wakho ubani I don't think bazofika ngaze ngifike lapho no, I won't lie to you.
So abalozi ngizwe bathi nami ngizwe basho that there are very few people who have
that. There are few there are few abaningi baba khona phela abalozi ba man-made baye banamapopo la ukuthi le pop yakhuluma kwazi ukuconnecta nayo la ngithi yazi ukuthi abo tswi wena uqashwa ngalezi zinto lezi zakhona izizwe so ezinye ama-man-made abantu athwasile onabo siqeda amakhosi lawo bareve le true abanye bazenzela vele into esezenziwa vele no.
Okay, so ungasho ukuthi mina ngithakatha ubani
hayi yabona sicela ukuba ukuthi bayifuna ukuyisimisa lento leyo if ever it has to come to a push if ever kuyabonakala ukuthi into zakho sibhidlikile mele vele uthola iqiniso then kuzoba kanjani yena akusiza ukuthi ngizoyifihla
so but like through nje ukungicala nje can you see something?
Yeah, I can, but I don't have the guy to tell it just like that.
Yes.
But if ever, I can see. But if ever maybe ufuna ukwazi banzi, then you have to come emakhosini.
Then basically what do you do? Like tell everything just by looking at
yes, like lo bayizalana la ilona in abangitsheli the full information. Yes, but bang highlight ukuthi man lona man yabona bangitshela bangicocela just kancane nje.
So the highlight is in a form of like a slightly bit
or most of the time but sometimes like yabona yayivele ithi kancane le vision kancane bese iyabaleka sometimes vele yasho endlebeni so bangitshela ukuthi wena kanje so okay ngithi alright most of the time azongibuza ngabaningi ukuthi wayichana ukukhuluma we-one abanderstand noma ngihleli nje ngihlale so ngikhuluma enye-one ngiphendula abantu la bengikhuluma nabo but wena sozohlanya abanderstand most of my friends bayazi ukuthi lo muntu uphila ngento so but abanye bazothi hayi lo sekahlanya lo yabona so sengijwayele nje impilo yami le
ukuba nabezimo ukuba nabaphansi kuchintsha iphi behavior emntwini because I believe ukuthi now awusazenzela umathanda
so uyakwazi ukudisho so uyakwazi at least ubeke amadlozi ngapha esayidini impilo yakho esayidini ungasihlanganisi because mawuhlanganisa zokuconfuse kakhulu most of inyanga if you can see is confused kakhulu ifame yobunyanga abayenza lento ezihlukehlukile ebunyangeni but uphila nempilo ayiphilayo uyayihlanganisa kumele wazi ukuthi mawusedlozini menza umsebenzi wedlozi mayisikhathi sakho isikhathi sakho ne behavior mawenza kudala it has to ukuthi change you cannot be loya tisetso bamazi ukuthi elo meka tshontsha lo meka rape abantu okayenzana lento ezinimele ezichinje yabona ngeke lokwenza into e1 continuous beba sothwasile sobuye shothi usawulashwa ngathi usagula mele ulashwe straight yabona.
All right, asikhulume ke ngama cleansings. Yes, what cleansings normally you mentioned ukuthi you do abortion cleansings. So what kind of cleansing? Nemanzini nokwenza those kind of cleansings.
Yes. Because angithi mama ke waphunyelwa mhlambe isisu or mhlambe akithi wayenza i-abortion. Yonke lento la intimele ukuyigezela.
Yes.
So ngesintu siyazi ukuthi mawenza i-abortion uba miscarriage lento lenzwe ekhaya ngesiko angisho. So these days science wa basically because of abanye abantu bafuna impilo zabo zibe private.
Yeah.
Because yazi manje impilo zethu zirevolve social media. Okay ngiyayenza ekhaya endlini ifamily yonke iyazi. Okay ngibabona impahla zomntana lapha into ifana lezo ngenza umsebenzi ukuthi ngamosha ngakhipha umntwana. You understand ifamily sonke seyazi bakhona ukuyenza leyo feast leyo ukwenza leyo lati leyo kwenza ukuthi ulwe necousin yakho sizokuthuka ngaloko. You understand that's why most of the time abantu bathi ngcono bagijimele inyangeni ngoba inyanga ngeke lokukhulumela indaba la zakho isigcwalisa istrata. But ifamily and even your friends invite into enyenza umuntu usebenze sona so sekaphuma etshela umunye umuntu kanti lento secret ufuna ukuyifihla. So that's why most of our patient amakhala ukuthi kada vele siyenze inyangeni but mangishaya inhlolo yenza lento lekini bakwenzele kini mangizoyenza mkhulu umama mikangazi ukuthi sexual active and mangathola uzongicosha ekhaya ngizoyenza kanjani. So sizothenza kanjani. Yeah, but that's why by at least inyanga yangena ke sakwenzela emfuleni leyo lati lelo yagezwa then uba right.
All right, so is it the same process ekumele ayenzile ekhaya?
Yes, kuyafana yes.
Or it's just a difference
ukuthi difference is ukuthi ngaphandle nje kuphela ya.
Oh, okay. And then mangene emanzini.
Yes, ngene emanzini ngiyageza ngiyaklahla lento lezo yenzela lati lelo mntana because of akufani kuna abortion kune miscarriage lento lezi asifani zoyi-two. Miscarriage into yenzeka ngephutha angisho it wasn't planned but i-abortion into yenze vele ngenhloso ukuthi ngizowenza abanye akusinhloso per se because of most of my patient mina I won't lie to you abanye babe nabantwana through rape abanye mhlambe okay mekazi ba nomntana but wenziwe abortion esibhedlela mhlambe umntana mekahleli ichupini elokho head ukuthi ba terminate lo mntana leyo because meke kaphila. So most of them ile inkinga leza ayikho umuntu ukhe wangitshela lapha endume nathi hey mina ngiyenza ukuthi ngisesemncane ngifuna ukugroove nani everyone went through something ukuthi baze bayenze and I'm not there ukuthi ngibajudge ngithi ngiyakujaja wawenze sona so mawuthi uyayibheka vele it wasn't their intention bafuna just kwenza leyo closure abandlulise lento leyo umntana abe right because mawuthi uyabheka lento ye-abortion i-heavy than miscarriage. Noma wabona noma wathi wenza abortion noma wathi afuna ukuyigezela uzogcina uyigezela uzogcina usobona ukuthi into zakho ziya collapse because of abortion. Noma ungathi usebenzisa umuthi nje uyasebenza ukusebenza noma ungathi uyakhumuza uyashada ngeke ukulast. That's why izinto umuntu ngiyamcheck umuntu uthi yambona ukuthi hayi nomuntu wakhe bahlala abalwa nani kanti le cause le spirit somntana lesongasusanga because spirit somntana vele siya break into izinto ukuvala financially umsebenzini uyaxoshwa awuthandwa abantu kuyahlangahlangana nje empilweni yakho nendoda uthi ayithola manje ngekulast indoda izozwa ngathi lo uyachitha kanti awuchithile le spirit less because abanye abantu after ibaqeda ukuhlenzwa sometimes abaphuzi neimbiza because into le banginkinga ezo umfazi lesinyeni sakho sometimes indoda mayitshela na uzwa ngathi umanzi kakhulu kanti ukuthi awuphuzanga imbiza awudediswanga le spirit somntana siphume kuwe so asifani basically ne miscarriage. So abortion is too heavy than a miscarriage. And I always emphasize abantu ukuthi noma umfazi mangithola mazohlola lapha kini ngicela ukuthi utshele nobaba umntana ayiyenze naye ungamvaleli ngaphandle because of it mele niyenze YouTube because of it affect nina no YouTube.
So indoda izoma affect kanjani?
Same thing naye. Umsebenzi akawuthuli whatever yenzayo it's very same thing if ever bavumelene boyi-two if wena wenze private you-one then you are being selfish ukuthi uyamthulela ungamtsheli because of naye umntana abantu uzotshela ukuthi impilo yami yahlangahlangana nje kwenzakalani kanti wena umfazi wenze lento lo uyi-one what about the other party? Yabona so I always tell you bafe kuye umtshele even though uzokwata or kayenzini enzeni but mtshele nindlulise nethu lento le impilo ezweni izoba izi ngoba uyavala impela serious.
Yazi abanye isikhathi esinye uthola ukuthi umuntu wakhona nawe wena mjida bungazi nokwazi ukuthi wenzakalani and so kwaba i-once off thing yabona na akakwazi ukuthi uyabona
yeah inkinga isuka ibe lapho kakhulu lento enginothisa kakhulu uthi abathanda inyanga abantu abamnyama inyanga kakhulu abantu besifazane bayinyanyeni kakhulu kakhulu manje ukuthi abantu bamina abafazi out abadle
bafunani vele
awazibafazi manje abayinto eziningi yabona so izibuzo ukuthi manje okay njengoba uchazile ukuthi uyayenza and then lo owakhipha isiso sakhe akazi then what happens to him angazi ukwenzakalani ngaye ukuthi nawe wadala wamgcina it was a once off thing then unewabona ukuthi hayi umuntu ibathi one night stand la wakhona and then uyamazi ukuthi lo muntu uhlala lapha singamthola hey mina amazi mengidakime segroovini so sekalimele
kanjalo nje
ya sekalimele naye lo outlive because umphefumulo wakhe lo igazi lakhe yabona
bathanda yini abafazi nabane bafikile esigodlweni
no most in general most ama patients wami abafazi bafuna impumelelo don't want to lie to you mina lezo ukuthi ngifuna ukufuyisa indoda ngifuna ukwenzana angibathola thuli kakhulu bahlushwa yiyo into lengichazayo ukuthi most of the time banama miscarriages abanye ama abortion bafuna just ulungisa impilo zabo most of them awuni lie to you ngithi yakhona ukuthi ufuna ibuyisa indoda nah
and then later they go to church praise the Lord
nama praise the Lord bayeza muskithi ama praise the Lord bona ama praise the Lord banenkinga same thing so that's why ngithi ezinye izinto zi-secret nezi-private that's why ngichaza ukuthi mawenza lento lezo la ukugeza ama-abortion wakhe endlini ekini bayakholwa wena uzwenza kanjani lo msebenzi lo kumele uyenze so abanye bathi hayi kumele vele ayenze ekhaya kumelanga nina inyanga nenze lo msebenzi wemfuleni sho ukuthi uzoma until kiyo baze bashintshe inkolo yabo ukuthi benzelene wathi ekhaya bahlabi wathi ekhaya bayishunqisa impepha wena nyanga uthamba uyenzelwa lezi zinto lezi kini and then what happens if ekhaya bathi asizinza sisifuna then inyanga kumele ukusiza
kungusuntsheleka again ke sibelekile imimoya yabaluzi ne how protective they are in terms of you like if something is about to happen to you you know how protective they are to you.
You know one thing about abaluzi ne bafuna umuntu focus kakhulu kumele ujule kakhulu when it comes to them abanye bakuthulela bangakutsheli because that's why ngithi mawenyanga especially nemimo efana nale impilo yakhe yashintsha kakhulu akusafana nalomuntu lo yesimaziyo yes abanye abaluzi bazokutshela ukuthi ungayi lapha ya kuzonzakala sona asihamba kuyekela ukuthi uhambe because sometimes we don't consult namadlozi wethu we do things masifuna the way sifuna ngakhona kuyafana ukuthi mangiphuma la nyeza la ku angiphahlanga ngabatshela so that's why into eziningi zanza ama accidents nani even if awuthwasanga before uhamba mhlawumbe uya eDurban uyabika into ekini ola uthandazela khona ukuthi ngiyahamba ngendaweni eswedala zonke eZambia noma ungasitsheli into zenzeka estradini abaprotectanga so most of the time whenever I do something cala ngabaluzi ngiyabaphahlela ngiyabatshela ngizohamba ngendaweni esona so ngihambe nami nimprotect noma namadlozi ngathi ukuthi ngicela ngingiboniseni if la ngiyakhona kunengozi okunani na if bayathula then I know there's something engeke yenzeke but if bazongitshela ukuthi ungayi mhlambi yakusasa oyenza so bazongitshela mina so that's why every time when into ifana nalezo you need to consult with them first
but you do have visions with
most ngishama visions kakhulu
nanomuntu azokuthelela
ngeke ngisho le yazi le but sometimes ungathola amadlozi uyafila man ivibe yenature yakwazi ukuyifila la ukhona noma ehleli so bazongithela icoding uzofila man ukuthi hayi thingayiphuzi le like sometimes banoziyas ukuthi ungayiphuzi bakusave amadlozi for that kind of situation not always bazokubonisa ukuthi umuntu uzokuthelela not always that's why ngithi unyaka basafane bakudala ekuqaleni vele bazokutshela ukuthi lo muntu uthela into esona so but now the winter season la ngakhona sekurare kakhulu.
So you did mention ukuthi you specialize with cleansing and what other specialization you do?
Kakhulukazi ama court case.
Court case.
Sebenza nawo kakhulu.
Break it down.
Like umuntu makafuna umsebenzi ngathi into ahlangani yakwazi ukuthi imquphe ukuthi afune umsebenzi awuthola. Ama court cases kakhulu mangisebenza ngomuntu uthi wa rape oye wabulala leyo nje awona la ithi angisebenzi sebenza at least umuntu mangibona ukuthi le court case asemsebenzini basically bamxosha unfairly then wani uzokulwela khona lapha yike ngilwela umuntu wenza into embi ngomunye umuntu I don't think iba fair nasedluzi nasonkulunkulu ukuthi lo muntu usave umuntu abulele umuntu then usebenza kanjani isomthakathi
I get you have to pay bills at the end of the day
but still idlozi in the end of the day lakushaya but uthole leyo mali leyo then after lapho umsebenzi uthula uthi tu
I get that the most paying clients are these ones who are doing
for abanye but not for me because sometimes you get these inyanga abanye like bantu banokugcekana abakuthi ukuthi wena wangihamba ngemoto inyanga sezihamba ngemoto ehoni yabhayiza wangenze kanje asifani masingabantu everything izela ngesikhathi sayo ngeke ngifostele ukuthi ayithi nyenze lento la nami ngifuna ukufana nosibani ngibe nemoto ngibe inyanga edumile I don't think for me it doesn't work for me.
It doesn't work.
Mina ngisebenza ngedlozi if ever lezi zinto zizoza kimi zizoza ngesikhathi sayo. Imele ngibe nendlu yami ngibe nezimoto zami kuzofika ngedlozi if onginyenza into ngendlela idlozi ongiblessa ngento enhlungu is right.
Because abantu abaningi like nabasenkingeni especially when it comes to court case they will try to come to you but sifuna usenzela makhatakata and when you check the case yakhe yabona ukuthi actually wena
you
guilty.
deserve to be in jail ngeke ngisave mina ubulala umuntu
Yeah.
no definitely ngaba ngakutshela ukuthi I go somewhere else but mina le nyenge ngikwenzela yona yeah if I won't do that for you.
Would you say for someone who doesn't want to pay maintenance?
Yeah, for me, yeah, because you don't have to pay maintenance. You have to pay maintenance in the end of the day because you have to support your child. That one I can do for you.
Angisho mara mkhulu labanye thosi ngakho ufuna 20,000 and okay, let's say maybe I make 100,000 a month and ufuna 20,000. That's 20%. What are you
The thing is wena wangalungisa izinto kahle njengendoda. The things will be simple for you than uzubuye nesekhothi.
No, but like why uyisaphi imali engaka? Angisho
Ushuthatha isikhathi ungasupporti ingane.
No.
Yebo.
Ufuna imali eningi.
No, that lapho angazi but lapho ngizomenzela ngikamba manga lapho definitely do it for them because you have to support them anyway because ngeke ushiye umuntu nengane and then disappear for years.
Yeah.
Yebo. So that one I can intervene na kanjani.
You mentioned something yes ibongo, ne?
Yes.
Yeah. Ubalungisela kanjani abantu ibongo?
Yeah, you know sometimes kakhulu I won't say sometimes most of the people la emhlabeni babulawa yibongo mkhulu ne uthi yamhlolela umuntu yahlola lapha impilo yakhe mawuthi ayichecka impilo yakhe right but akaziwa idalwa zakiyo. You understand? So kufana nomuntu akafika kuwe athi eish mkhulu ufunana nobabami mama akafuna ukungitshela ubabami. Okay manje inhlolo ngizobona ukuthi mama akafuna ukutshela because ofuna mama akamazi. Yabo ufunana nesibongo kodwa uyeza ukuthi babami wakamathebula so ufuna ukuphahla abantu bakamathebula yedwa awubazi nawe abakwazi. So that one nje it's a no. If ever ukhuliswe umagogo okhuliswe umama ubaba umazi and umama mhlambe na akafuna ukuthi ube in contact nalabantu la bakhohlwe something like that uyakhulela esibongeni sakhe abomama. So kufana nomntana omlanjwana. You understand? If uzofuna ukulandelela isibongo sobantu abantu bangakufuni umuntu walahleka kudala wazi nokuthi usodonsa ini manje ufike lapha uthi hayi lo muntu umfuna ushonile uhasele nabo auntie okay ngifuna ukuthi ningenzele umsebenzi ukuthi ngifuna ukuthi ngibe umntana wala. It's another thing because of lo muntu uyakasekho usibangela inkingi. If ever umuntu mengangakufuni emhlabeni babakho savele then leave it ukhulise isibongo sika mama. Dan mawuzongena too much indabeni zokuthi ngifuna isibongo sikabo baba into zama zambi kahle if azambi kahle bakuthenga bakhabo mama ukuthi ube umntana wabo. That's simple.
There is this notion ukuthi I want to know my identity. Yes.
There is. That's what I'm saying ukuthi abanye uzofuna identity wrong. Mama that's why akuzochaza ukuthi isho babakho angimazi. Babakho sometimes mama protective usaba ukutshela ukuthi mina ngakuthola through rape. So mama uzokutshela lento mama kuzothini wena. So uzoblame umama so uzosblame na so now self esteem yakhe izoyehla ngisho. So mama was protector from into ifanele just let it be. Makathi mntanami ngcono ubize isibongo sala ekhaya sukuthenge then that's it.
So laba bahlushwa zibongo za khabo timer ngabanjani bona?
Bahluphi ibongo zabakhaya bakhawa baba bakhona basaphila then maybe babayenzela khabakhabo baba. Ibaba uyamazi impela ukhona kodwa baba afuna ukuyenza. So abo aunt bakhona umalume bakhona then mele bakwenzele that's it.
Is it important for a person like especially as a boy to
especially out. Yeah, it's very important. Because imvelaphi because of in the end of the day uzoba nabantwana. So umntana omnike isibongo sakhe siphi. Because mele athathe isibongo sakho ngisho. So wena mele ube nesibongo esiright esazi ukuthi lesi sakho straight.
So in this case, maybe I'm a product of rape, right? That's an example, right? And then now they told me I'm a product of rape, and then now young bothara, like I want to know my identity as we were just saying now. How do I move on in situation? I want to know my identity at the same time young group.
That's why ngisho ukuthi if ever the product umntana enjalo yini bayakuthenga umama uyakuthenga isibongo nasebenzisa sami if ubiza isibongo sakhe abomama yakhe then ubizwe lesibongo sakhe uyathengwa so ufana nomntana ukhuliswe umama nogogo so umntana omlanjwana akusisiza ukuthi manje ufuna isibongo sakhe abobaba ngoba ukhuliswe umama nogogo and ubaba he wasn't there from the onset sesemncane until this age.
Ngithenga njani?
Yathenga ngenzela umsebenzi okuthenga ukuthi umntana siyamthenga uwela isibongweni sithu ngoba ubaba akasimazi ukhuliswe yithi bakuthenga umthetho wenziwa kahle abanye bahlaba imbuzi abanye bahlaba imvu kuya ukuthi isintu senisebenza kanjani uyathengwa wenza lelo siphandla leso ababenza ngokufana ngisho then bakufaka isibongweni sakhe abomama osakha gogo njengami so mina ubaba umkhulu akangikhulisanga at all but uyaphila and akazenzi into zamasiko he's Muslim so yaqhamuka lento le ngisakhulu ukuthi kumele ngiyenze le khabo baba so mangifika khabo baba uthi asizenze into lesifana nalezo la ekhaya yena kangikhulisanga so ekhaya bathi okay in that case khuluso gogo then wena ukheso ena akunala kuba inkinga khona because of amadlozi akho nangazi umntana wakhona yabona so baba nje uyazi naye ukuthi akazenza imblame isiko lakibo nyenye imfokeso ena akunala kuba inkinga khona because of amadlozi akho nangazi umntana wakhona yabona so baba nje uyazi naye ukuthi akazenza imblame isiko lakibo nyenye imforced ukuthi ayenze into angayikhuliswanga ngayo you understand so ngathi say ukuthi okay manginjalo senza bathi okay sokuthenga la ekhaya ube ukheswa ngobukhuliso magogo and that's it
all right so ke mase ikanjalo ne endabeni emadluzini amadluzi like ayakwazi like to protect you fully or to be with you fully yes
if bakwazi then they can protect you fully na kanjani
yazi ngifuna ke sibiyele back nakile ndaba ne ngikhe ngezwe bathi immediately usese ihlwili ne there is a nedlozi asayinako like they assign a certain dlozi ukuthi fanele liphile kuwe the moment you were born then that's when now that dlozi assigniwe selikhona la kuwe
okay
yes what is your knowledge about that
idlozi liphi ngoba kumele lelo dlozi la khabo mama ukhabo baba na
yes that's the question again
that's the question I want to ask na ukuthi liphi lelo dlozi assignwa ukuthi la khabo mama o la khabo baba that's the problem
what if ngila khabo baba
if bakuhlawulile then uzokusebenza lo dlozi lo because ayitsike ukuthi umuntu athwase abuye namadlozi akhabo baba kangohlawulelanga irole into le angeke ngithwase mina ukuthi ngikheswa so ngikhuliswe kagogo yonke into nyenzelwa kagogo mase ngithwasa sengibuya namadlozi wakhawo baba amabizwa ngosikhosana kanjani ngoba bangihlawulanga angibazi labo nto lawo it's a red flag akumelanga la madlozi angene nje all because of nabangigolota bona labo bantu la bangena kanjani emzimbeni wami so kumele ngingene namadlozi asikanye ngibuye namadlozi wakakheswa wakasikhosana kakheswa it's impossible ngihlala kakheswa kodwa ngiyathwasa bangibuya namadlozi asikhosana wakhabo baba angena kanjani kakheswa bashadile yini bahlawulile yini yabona isukibe lapho that's why into eziningi zami abantwana abathwasile abazibone nesishaya khona lapho uthi uyathwasa masobuye ekhaya sobuya namadlozi akadebe sikhosana abuya phela amadlozi akuba lawo kakheswa
yazi nase ngindo ne okay I don't know maybe when umbono wakho uzokuthini nase ngindo yokuthi like let's say you kwasikhosana mhlambe bekunethwasa or something someone ubekathwasile and then lemumwele seyimbatha wena enabahlawulanga is it possible ukuthi iyakhoneka la ukuthi yenzeke
ayi mina ngaze ngizwe ngifuna ucamba mangoda khona wayenzeka le nto le ithime kangena amadlozi kasikhosana and then basuka abantu abayakasikhosana abantu badala bathi na umntana ungena amadlozi wala ekhaya kini so kwenziwa kanjani ngokusovele bamshade bamhlawulele before aphume bayenza lento lezo kwaba right so that's why into abantu bashiya ama loose ends yeke umntana abuye namadlozi wangaphandle besiyayekela that's why most of the time uthola induma sisebenzi umuntu uyabuya kuba inkinga umoshe kumsamo ngalendlela leyo so ubuya namadlozi esingawazi siyayekelela nje kanjalo then indlini sokuba bad to worse makuthwasile so that's why indaba ebonga ijule kakhulu nokuthwasa kumele ukuthwasa amadlozi wazi isibongo sazi ukuthi si right and the rightful surname
yeah ish I am sure people should learn from
this. Yeah, so into ekhona vele sekazi because ezinyadila ngazi umuntu manje imhlahlubela inyanga ngiyasebenza nenyanga. Inyanga izohlola ngicheck ngibona ukuthi hayi man gogo. Uthwasile yebo kodwa lesibongo lisakhabo bani. Lo muntu omthwasile udabuka but hayi wakhabo babami ubaba kuphi baba angimazi ungena kanjani kuye. Ngoba baba akakhulisanga so amadlozi wakhe bangena kanjani. Yabona lapho nje sekuyinkinga because ezinye izangoma ababugobela bayafokisa kucala bazokubuza ukuthi ubaba khobani bona uzothi baba moka gumede kuphi so abanye bazokunikeza isibongo ngasiyiso malokuthi abathi hayi letlozo ungene la khabo baba akagumede bava kunikezela so that's why most of the time nje ngisho ukuthi indaba eyibonga nabagobela ababefe abantwaneni ngoba yalimaza le uthula speaking yalimaza kakhulu
yazi imizi emiye inamasiko wayo ne I remember there was a point where I was watching Khumbula Ekhaya so bathi kulomuzi lo basho for abantwana babo fanele babayenze abo what la ne something all right so this lady akamazange babake for some 20 something years then later on wagcina afandile find out ukuthi ubaba kubani ukuphi, and then you went there and they explain ukuthi ustrugglanga ABCD is because of in impilo ehlangana, and then mama explained ukuthi it's because of awenzanga leli siko la this thing. Yes. So in that case ukuthi maybe let's say ngihlushwa isibongo sakho, kuyenzeka ukuthi ngihlushwe isibongo sakho baba, and what do I do? Do I do the same process ukuthi bakithi bekhabo mama bathenga benza lo msebenzi boceda usho right now, or is there any way that we can solve the problem?
If ever bayabazi, that's why ngichaza ukuthi if ever khabo mama bayabazi khabo baba ukuthi bayaphila and bafuna vele ubakulungisele, then khabo baba bazokuyenzela. If yona kini khabo mama bathina sokwenzela soba so wala angisho njengoba ngichazile basokwenzela nabo still ibo baba kusaphila wafuna ukwenza lento bazokwenzela ekhaya kini mavela amasiko impela wafana impela.
All right, guys, asiqhubekele phambili ke. Okhunye specialize ngakho yini?
Ayizwa?
Okhunye specialize ngakho yini?
Kuningi kuyazi kunzima nokusho sometimes usebenza because of endumeni you meet challenges eziningi each and every day.
But I want those ones that we are good at.
Yeah, that's what ngiyabona le ngichazele besides le ngicela ukusichaza ne ndaba zomsebenzi nani okay ithi ngiyibeke straight nokuthandeka yabona ngeze ukuthi uthandeke emsebenzini phamisela ama promotions into efana lezo yes ngoba that's why ngisho ngisebenza into eziningi ukugula kukhona ngisebenza ngakho no sometimes ngiexpectanga uzongena umuntu ophethwe into ethize imbizi zakhona senyazi ukuthi kuzoba ngingazi ukuthi uzoba nomuntu so every day shothi ngiyakhula kwezinye into zenzakala along the way bengazi ukuthi ngiyakwazi ukuzenza yabona so I cannot say exactly ukuthi ngisebenza ngaloko naloko.
Do you do penis enlargement?
No, ngaze lento yabona leyo ngiyazi ngaze ngoba ngiyeza mos bathi yenzeka mina I don't believe ukuthi khona lento leyo.
All right, yazi bengifuna ukuthi ke siqalela nase enye into ne imsamo. What is the problem? Why abantu abaningi baba namabhadi esikhathini esiningi, you know? So ngifuna we understand ukuthi wena what is your experience when it comes to imsamo nabantu namabhadi wabo? Yeah. Imsamo futhi into ejulile kakhulu na ngoba ihambelana indaba zibo. Umsamo mkhulu ithi ngibreak it down kanje because into ngiyekaba nga-experience from someone else. Kwenzeka isimo sokuthi umsamo wamoshekala ukuthi kuphahla umfazi. Then everything endlini from ifamily yonke kabhidlika. Kanjani so meba like umuntu bekeza kimi yasho ukuthi mkhulu ngihamba ngahlola bathi mangamelanga kuphahle umuntu wesifazana. Because mina yesintu mina ngazi ukuphahla umuntu wendoda acala ushisa impepho. Umfazi akayishisa impepho noma ngaba inyanga enjani kini wathwasa uma kunomsebenzi noma kuyemsamo kuyabo abantu bobaba acala unizandile movie even ngaba ugobela una 20 years mawukini uma kuphahlwa abantu abadala uzogcina emuva. So manje everyone sekasiphahla noma uyisangoma uyiwala lapha manje umsebenzi uyagijima uyashisa impepho ukhuma namaye amadlozi kanjani ngoba la kusemsamo kususendumbini ngoba sifane izinto lezi. Umsamo la kuhlala idalwa khona endumbeni yakho la hlala amadlozi labantu abathwasile abagidile la kuhlala abantu abadala amathonga. You understand? Wena masofika lapha usakhuluma ngendlela leyo kumele ukhulume ngayo ebantwini kwamathongo wena sokhuluma ngendlela esidlozi. Yeah.
Then abantu bayabaleka uyabawona labantu sobamushile. Yabona? So ibalekile ukuthi nempepha futhi nempepha yakwazi ukumosha umsamo omkhulu. Impepha kumele ube sure ukuthi ushisa yipi impepha nekhona impepha engashisa abantu besifazana. Kunempepha ingashisa umuntu ongathwasanga. Kunempepha imeli ishisa umuntu omdala, kunempepha wena ezethwasa ungamelanga uyishisa. So this nowadays impepha umuntu uyayithenga nje kuphela uyashisa uyaphahla. Kanti uba nginkinga ngoshakala umsamo ngendlela leyo.
Ngenjani impepha efanele ishise ngabafazi imfanele?
Abona fanele impapha amawele. Impapha amele melanga uyishisa ungathwasanga. Awuyishisi nje ngicela ukuyibona mina umuntu bathashisa impepha amawele kodwa akathwasanga. Leyo mpepha inomsebenzi wayo futhi isebenza abantu beyinyanga. Wena if you just an individual mhlawumbe ufuna uyosicelela into zakho ehlane you can use impepha yasentabeni or impepha yasesiganyeni. That one can work for you but so thatha semanzini ungathwasanga so thatha yakuphi ungathwasanga so hlanganisa lento so invite imoya engayidini ukuthi sondele ku so mawukhuma nemoya emele ifuna ikolodo kuwe kanti wena kumele uyasicelela ukuthi ufuna into esona so wena so shisa impepha wrong.
Impepha yasemanzini
inkinga nempepha yasemanzini kodwa abanye sebayishisa but mina ngiyakhomend for umuntu ongathwasanga.
Is it for what?
Kakhulukazi abantu basemanzini abantu yamandawo yabona into yamadlozi asemanzini. So wena mawuphahla innocently so uyehlana uyophahla uthatha impepha asemanzini uyentabeni kuyasebenza lokho akusebenzi. Ngoba impepha imele umsebenzi wayo wena uthatha impepha asemanzini uyentabeni uyophahla ngayo kodwa ufuna ukukhuluma nezithunywa ithunya zasentabeni siphahlwa ngempepha sentabeni mawufuna ithunya zasehlane kumele ube nempepha sehlane ikhona ngisho yes into kumele differentiate impepheni kakhulu
Lasemanzini fanele nemanzini.
yes kuyahluka
Okay.
awumane nje ushise nje nasendlini khona impepho ongamali nje uyishise nje out of the blue endlini banginkingi phamisa idalo ezingekho eyihlalele kahle phamisa imimoya engekho that's abantu baningi bathi ngishisa impepho into zami zabheda kakhulu yenjalo impepho uyishisile shisa impepho amawele uthwasile nangithwasanga
So impepho yamawele is for abantu
kakhulu
abathwasile.
abantu abathwasile nabantu engathi ba spiritually aligned aba spiritual gifted aba traditional bathini abaholi ngaleba bangayisebenzisa wena nje individual mashisa le
Abaholi banjani ngabanjani labo?
aba traditional babathini man la umuntu osebenza ngesintu umuntu obonisa abantu isintu sisebenza kanjani ifana lezo noma ngathwasanga kodwa umuntu spiritually when it comes to zesintu okwazi yes ngikho igama la khona
Amagedla.
yeah can no asamageza bathini eshangibaleka le gama eso ya lona lelo yes abantu abantu bamasiko thimbe kanjalo yes abantu bamasiko then bona abanelungelo ukuthi bangayilungisa lento ifana nalezo
Yeah, ne. So wena mawungena mawufika emanzini wenzani? Uyaswima lapha or you just
noma yalapha emanzini ngumsebenzi ya ngiyamsebenzi nje kakhulu angaze nje ngithi mina nyamanzini ngiyenza ngiyoswima nje kuphela manje lapha ngumsebenzi nakhona mangiyela ngile kuyihlambulula kuphela angisilo umuntu lo mangiceda ukwenza lento lesengiyaswima lapha emanzini for what
uyazila mawuya lapha.
yeah I do kumele ngizile that's why most of my patients ngicela ngizile abanye baza bakwata umuntu nje ukuthi yazi mkhulu wena gogo kule viki ngeke ngikwazi ukuthi ngisemfuleni ngoba angikho right yabona ukuthi uma isakakhipha imali yonke lento efana lezo omnyaza ngalathi ngicela ungibhadale back kunokuthi upostpone sometimes nje ngikutshela ukuthi sometimes amadlozi amathingizi namhlanje mhlambe kunento eso yena kumilanga ube khona you understand sometimes umuntu wasemanzini nikazwa amanzi namhlanje uyaphefumula ningayi emanzini bangitshela ngisho mina so mina ungibreak it down to you as a patient yithi umuntu wasemanzini ukhonyeke sinyakuthusa ngisho so bangithi gogo siwenza ngilanga leso next week kodwa le vile le angikho right so abanye babona ngathi halo shudlala ngami lo into bangizotsho kanjalo ukuthi umnikazi wasemanzini ukhona lapha yamela ngasi senyakuthusa yakubalekisa so abanye mobatshela into le bacanga ukuthi yabadlalo yabascam or in yabona emanzini kahlonishwa mkhulu and most of the time yabona abantu bahamba ngamanzi kwenzakalani ilento ezokuthi umuntu ivele yahluthuka nje emanzini uyoswima uyahluthuka nje uthatha umuntu ngoba ulethe imali namhlanje kumele uyomgeza amanye uzobona ageza umuntu intatha kusi into emele yenze kuseni umuntu uzomene emini ayenze ilati lomntana kodwa lento emele yenze kuseni ngovivi so bayizi into eziko sometimes bathukuthelwa amadlozi wabo bona self leso inyanga eziningi ukuthi umuntu ushawa amanzi njani idlozi yakhe sometimes umthukuthela ukuthi uyawenza lento so emini wazi ukuthi yenziwe kuseni yabona khona abantu esibesemfuleni mkhulu intatha kusa
ubani umnikazi wamanzi
angimazi yabona when count that ayifuna ukugela kakhulu ngoba angimazi ngoba mina self
mara uyamfila ne
ngiyamfila yes but angimazi
uyakwazi ukutshela ukuthi namhlanje ungezi
khona ayitshela idlozi mina utshelwa uya angicala ukuyizwa ngifuna njama mina angaze ngimbone ngemehlo wami straight sokuthi na umnikazi wamanzi uthi hey sengikhona ubona like khona ama signs wabonayo mkhulu ayeka phela sometimes ake ezinye indlela le bathi bamdescribe ngayo ukuthi uyinyoka esona inyoka ehlazana bathi inyoka yama inhloko ezifo abanye basho kanjani bayadescribe indlela ehlukile so asifani kusimbona ngendlela ehlukile
mara wena maso imagine ngelihlo lakho lomqondo
awonsenya imagine nyamona like spiritual yeah nyambona spiritually sometimes lokubona ivibe yasho manje emanzini ukuthi ayikhona into engathi seyikhona like noma ungayiboni ngamehlo so uyazozwa ukuthi sikhona into ekhona la ithi sicede ukusebenza sambili hayi ukuthi ngizoyibona seyivele iqhamuka emanzini abayi mina ngayi hayi
dragon
hayi ababathisa ayikho into le hayi bakuqamba manga hawo ayikho
because like yazi esikhathini esiningi mama bakhuluma ngamanzi bathi umnikazi wamanzi we always imagine ukuthi kazi lo muntu lwamanzi unjani slay queen
abantu ukuthi ubona ivateke meyisi hey mina ngiyahluleka ukubuza ukuthi ivateke meyisi mayibona ithini kuyenzeni kuyo because vele abakhona abantu uzokutshela ukuthi ngayibona ivateke meyisi or mhlawumbe ibathi inzunza yes inzunza vele into ekhona and anye ngikutshele mina inzunza yami ukuthi ngibonile ukuthi injani into secret kakhulu le
into
secret kakhulu ngikutshela ukuthi na inzunza yami ikhona inzunza yami igcoke kanje mina umuntu okhuluma kanjalo vele ngimngabazi ukuthi ayikho lento ayikhulumayo ayikho.
So as a family project.
Yes, ngiyakuvela ukuthi ungitshela ukuthi indlozi lami igcoka kanje kanje kanje. Like it's not easy ukuthi ngatshela umuntu ukuthi ubona into enzima kanje ngicocele yona. Hawu mina abanye
Okay, ungasicoceli ne. Mara
khona lokho no-explain kwakhona nami it's even hard ukuthi ngichaze ukuthi umuntu njani lo isilwane or umuntu or yabona it's even hard for me to explain.
okay, there's this thing I'm a Christians will say ne. Okay, by the way, I'm an atheist ne, for the sake of debate. I don't know what basho it's a spirit of the serpent. It's the devil. What? What do you think is iqiniso njani?
No, abantu believe yabo so bazobeka lo babeya ngakhona. So
the marine spirit,
yes.
They call it the
Yeah,
marine spirit.
yes.
The devil is sure what?
Yeah, that's what they say because of that's what they believe. Ngoba I believe yabo so ngeke ngithi hayi nahlanye ngoba ngithi hayi nina nikongwani isho kanje kanje umuntu sika believe into. That's why mina ngithi umuntu meka believe into I believe anyamekela. If umuntu yenza into emsebenzela nto uyamekela yenze ayenze. Because so phikisana kuyozokuyovala abona kuhlala kuphikiswana kanjani ama social media into so. Kodwa angeke uthola iqiniso.
Never.
Ngoba kuyaphikiswana right to.
And then now my question will be like, if you die, it means you're gonna go, you're manzin or you're heaven or.
Yabona yazi naleyo angeke ngichaze kakhulu because angaze ngife. Azange ke ngife ngibona izulu ngibona ngine emanzini.
But I get sure whether you are a spiritual person. You are like me or someone else there. You look at you know what is gonna happen. You know, I remember one of the guests told me Guti he knew Guti his mother will pass in the next coming 5 years.
Yeah, I'm like true. La mina magogo wami washona nini? Washona day after. Amakhosi wezake mazongitshela ngaze ngayipost status sami. It was 2 days after. 2 days before ngayipost status sami WhatsApp ngathi gogo ngiyakukhulula mbalala ngocolo sona sibazile bazongitshela ukuthi ayisezomlanda. Ngabatshela endlini ngatshela ikhazi labo ukuthi ayimagogo bazomlanda ndoda sona so athi ayivele sekamdala bona meke into esoyenza isemeka shona vele that after 2 days akona mengathuka because bazile bazongitshela expect ukuthi sesongena sothatha umuntu wethu. That's it. Bayabazi bona bayazi ukuthi bona bamisa kuphi awonseli bamise emanzini obamise ukwazi bona.
So with you, did they told you Guti you're gonna live after? Are you gonna live until when?
Hayi angazi. Angazi. Khona basho ukuthi like masothwasile iminyanga uthi uzoshona after nini? Yeah, bakhona bakhe ngezwe yes wangitshela ukuthi uzohamba after how many years kodwa ngiyambona usaphila namanje sothi. Usaphila namanje kodwa wangitshela le ndoda show 5 years ago ukuthi isikhathi sakhe sesishayile 2 years because abayothula speaking ithwalo. Bangathi hayi amadlozi akunadlozi mina engacabanga ukuthi ngakubekela ukuthi uphila isikhathi esingakanani. Hayi ayikho lento leyo. Abayithwalo lezi zaba ama contract laba wasanayo ukuthi after 10 years yachaya udla imali kakhulu after 10 years shayile. Because mina ugogo wami for my grandmother ikusadla khabo mama omkhulu wami meka ushone ana 114 years makuyinyanga ushone 4 years ago ushone mangasaboni nasemehlweni kodwa lokho asebenza abantu. So uyabona ukuthi naye mekalali zilanga lakhe lokushona uphile leso sikhathi leso until azahamba emhlabeni.
So according to your experience, you said you have how many years?
11 years.
11 years. What was the biggest consultation? This one was the hardest one.
Ziningi.
Le elokuthi angeke uzikhohle even nje
sayikhumbula nama ngikhuluma ngayo siyavela nje yadlala la kimi bafika ifamily I think 3 years ago wafika ifamily like AmaZulu angenwe one uthi ngihamba nabantu la abangitsheli bazwenza AmaZulu bawazi umthetho yena bayazi imali abayizele before angena one mekanje futhi angitshelanga namanga uyangena mekangena uyahlola bo nyamhlola uthi mkhulu aza akafiki la ngifuna ufike khona ngiyakuzwa yakhuluma yena ngiyakuzwa lokusho ngiyakuzwa kodwa akafiki bazofika kanje umsekafuna nyiphi manje yabona anjise ngicikushaya ngaphandle ngishaya umoya ngiphuza amanzi mangithi inhlanye yayibona imoto ipake ngaphandle ngithi lo muntu uhamba nabantu okay sharp ngasiliswa ukuthi ngibonile mangiphumela ngaphandle ngimtshela ukuthi khulu hamba nabantu man ngathi yebo ngihamba nabantu sifunani yabona nenyanga lento lo muntu engikhuluma ngaye hey sifunani nifuna usizo lwani endoda ngamtsho ngihlale almost 3 hours endumbeni sisongena bosisi kancane ifamily siyagqwala manje endumbeni kanti abantu labanje bazofuna umkhondo nje kuphela baphethe inhlabathi bayishiye emotweni bafuna ukubona lenhlabathi le ukuthi lo mkhondo umdirector labo nomele baye khona bafuna just a confirmation hey mina ngiyahlola nya up and down until sebakutshela ukuthi ayimkhulu siyadlala ke man siyazi ukuthi inyanga siyazihamba ukuthi mesifuna ukubona ukuthi impela somthola umuntu osinikeza lento esifunayo njengoba sochaza ukuthi umkhondo uyawubona sicela sibonise ukuthi nawo umkhondo suphethe bayiphethe inhlabathi ukuthi la siya khona impela kulapho na bafuna kasuthu babatla inkomo ibalkeni bathini ubaba omkhulu ngathi washona washiya ifa bafuna lelo lifa lelo bathola inhlabathi yakho bathi lifa lelo melilana njani mangibahlolela ngathi uDavid lifa lelo lapho mokuneyinkongo mehalusile umkhulu nani and then eventually went there babuya after 3 months bathi hayi shaya emkhonkosini vele masifika lapha yami njalo leso sikhathi mesihamba futhi namama ngisawusaba umhlado kakhulu that time isangoma mina ngisaba ekucaleni mkhulu
yini
isangoma endumbeni ngisaba futhi umuntu omdala mithi lo uzongilinga lo uzwenza ngisaba kumhlola la kuyathusa manje imncane ngene umuntu omdala ngiyambonga ukuthi lo uthwasile impela inyanga yakudala ngiyocala ngithini lo muntu lo yabo kodwa kwahamba isikhathi manje ngasijwayeza ngathi inyanga phela umuntu ngaphandle kokunyanga bakhe he still human or she still human mina ngimhlola ngasifundisa lento ukuthi angisayisabi inyanga
yinibusa ukuthi bazokuvala
ya into eziningi yabo sawuthi lo mhlawumbe uthunyelwe sibanibani ukuzongivala olona mhlawumbe uyangithesta awusazi yabona kanti umuntu uzele nje vele uneyinkinga zakhe inyanga mengahle mengisabe mina inyanga kodwa after that experience ngathi inyanga ngisayisami bangene mengisami noma ngihlola mengibheka phansi but nami ngibheke emehlweni inyanga ngitshelele wemele ngitshele ngakhona ngaphandle kwalo phela inyanga umuntu nje bangichaza ngaphandle kobunyanga bakhe usho ukuthi uze endumbeni nami unenkinga ezakhe personal besides ubunyanga yabona so ngasinikeza lo sibingi leso till today inyanga ngiyasebenza ngiyahlola sengifree
ukhona umunye wakhe weza wathi ufuna ukuthi ubulale umunye umuntu
ngathola lo ngathola i WhatsApp WhatsApp uthi mkhulu ufuna ukuzibiselela kubantu babulala umntanami ngivini ngayiposta nokuyipost ngithi uzibuselela kanjani ngifuna ukubabulala ithema ngithuke mina ngibulala wangiblock
waphuma
kuwe kanjalo kodwa hamba isikhathi futhi wathi inyanga enjani engabulali
wabuya kuwe futhi
bathi inyanga enjani engabulali usho ukuthini mayithi inyanga enjani mayithi ngiyamphendula ngiblock so sometimes abantu banokutesta sometimes ukuthi lo muntu lo mekangazelanga vele lokho ngiyafuna ukungibona ukuthi ngisebenza ngani kanjani so ukubulala into engazazi lezo angaze ngizenza ngisithwasa mina sathwasa ukuphilisa nje kuphela lo uthi ngizobulala umuntu ngizomshaya ngani ichitho nani ayangizazi awa ngicamba mama
sure hey abantu bayathestana la
kakhulu mina been through mina ngizibonile ndoda testwe kakhulu but here I'm still standing
yini enye wakuteste ngayo
kuningi ezinye zathusa ziningi umuntu akuthumela ndo wena mkhulu ngezinto ongazi understand mina ubuthakathi mengingabelieve kakhulu afuna nje nama ngibelieve masengiceda ukuthwasa sengibona senginama enemies abantu basikreatela izitha ngami yabona ngicela ukuthi lo muntu azanyile naye ngibona ukuthi uyangithetha sengibona ngithumela into ezincane nje engazazi ngibona nayo into yasubelela lapha ngathi kanini le kade ngithunyiswe ukuthi ngifuna ukubona ukuthi ngifinyelela kuphi ngamandla wami ngizoyekutha kanjani mangibona ngizokwazi ukuyilwa na yabona like into experience ngadlula kwevele labafana abancane lezi angifuni ukuyikhohlwa lempilo nami yonke it was very hard but ngayindlula
bathusa mara
kakhulu sometimes ngeke ubabone street sometimes ithunzi nje encane kodwa uzobona ukuthi le umuntu le kodwa kuyibone ebusweni street ngoba ngizivala ngento eminyama so kodwa uzobona ukuthi le into abafana abancane la so abanye uyayibona straight so uyibona straight ukuhleka nokuhleka ukuthi phela imizisi sangena esasebenza ubuye sometimes bahlala nazo abaziboni mina manje uzosebenza ngizogcinisa umuzo ngizokhipha lezo elwane lezo sidibana nami masengilwa nazo mina uyayibona abanye umuntu uthi ukuthi singishaye nokungishaya ukuthi ngifunani lo ngizosikhiphelana
sikushaye
ndoda sokushaya impela ukuthi uzongikhiphelana because uzihlala la wena yasdisturb
sikushaya ngani ngeface
uthola impama uthi yasebenza lapho uphethe ishow ukuthi yaqala thahla nje impama wasabona ishonephi lento yakhona so that's why ngithi ubunyanga budeep ngalendlela ukuthi uyathuka the way abantu sebakhuluma ngako ngakhona izi umuntu akutshela ukuthi hey mina ngiyasikhipha isipoko hey mina ngiyasikhipha isilwane izi xa ukuthi benza lento lezo bazokuyekela lento lezi ngeke uzukuyeke
Istopile? 18. Okay, sorry kancane mkhulu ne.
ngithatha isikhathi ngithela idrink lapha ncane macake.
So let's just use it right.
They're right.
Alright, so ke bowusangitshela ukuthi kunzima ukukhipha isibhoko enzini.
It is kakhulu.
Yeah.
Asinto ngathi uyenza light and then after lapho do you think manje lento lezo keep umuntu isichitho ngeke sokuchaphazela?
Yeah.
Sokuchaphazela. Noma uthi ukhuluma nesipoko sakuphi kuphi. Ngicanga usohlala singakulandeli sokulandela.
Yeah.
That's why ngithi bunyanga buveki deep and people think ukuthi kumnandi akukho mnandi ebunyangeni at all. Most of the times uthola inyanga uthi mawuceda ukusebenza uyalala isikhathi eside even though ungafika uhlambululo kwenzeni kodwa umkhathalo wakho uzoba khona. That's why I've been decided ukuthi ngizele gym because of I think igym yabona angiyithandi igym but I think it works for me manje gym after a long day ngiceda ukusebenza
Yeah.
yangisiza. Yabona it's not after ukuthi ngifuna umzimba onjani but mina so far ever since ngihamba much better.
Yeah.
Because masingena emzini abantu masisebenza akudlalwa.
Kunani vele lapha emzini yabantu?
Asifani phela imizi ayifani. Ngitho ukuthi bangene emzini lo ngizosebenza kuthiwa ukuthi abantu bakhona bashona kudala mebahlala nabo utikoloshi makuyinto zabo so bashonile so labantu basendlini abantwana bakhona iminyaka abazi lokwenzakalana endlini. Balala nale into lezi bazibuza mkhulu ngivuka ngimanzi njalo njani mkhulu into mangivuka ngibona ngihwebhekile njani kanti lento le ifuna ukuchubikisele ukuthi ichubeke into generational what yabona.
Yeah.
So makunya find out yathi ukuthi ayama lento le yala ekhaya yashiya umkhulu so umkhulu ufuna ukuthi ichubekise abantu ngayifundi and have to fight ukuthi ngiphume na lento it's a matter of life and death. So asinto ngathi uyenza easy neso uyaphuma lapha easy hayi lento le hayi kwafuna ucamba manga that's why ngimangalela umuntu azokutshela live on TV ukuthi uyasikhipha isipoko uyakhuluma nasi isipoko la ukukhuluma ngathi isipoko nje into nje ikomisho something into deep heavy lento lezi. So asinto ngamele uyenze nje kuphela then everything becomes isipoko uthi uyakhuluma naso kulandela isipoko ukhuluma nasi estradini xa ubona mawukhuluma naso uphelwa naso ukuyekela so hamba nawe.
How do you protect yourself then?
Ikhona into emeli isebenzise ikhona into esizimbathayo mhlawumbe usebenza in that situation ukuthi ziyakuprotect
Bulletproof.
yes yeah faka zona uyazi ukuthi la ngeke sisondele kimi.
Hayi unzima lo msebenzi.
Kunzima mkhulu unzima kafuthi.
And am charge too much like they're like mkhulu.
Yeah ma charge too much uyakhala umuntu.
Yeah.
Mawuthi 5000 uthi yaka 1.5 1.5 akamenzeli zona bese uzabo abuye lokho mina yangenzakala lento le umuntu abuye after 5 years abuye sekathi mkhulu hayi mina ngaya somewhere memali because uchache kakhulu kuyafana nje yabo ukuthi mina ngichachele into deep kakhulu ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi ngizoyenza so abantu 1.5 bayazi ukuthi ngeke bayenze lento le kodwa bakhona abantu baba profit abakwazi ukuzenza ngifuna ukuthi babakwazi bonke kodwa bakhona abazi ukwenza lento kuyabona ukuthi ba price kuyalo ukuthi usebenza imithe njani yabona yes ya ukuthi usebenza kanjani futhi kahle
Okwa eBenin.
Kuphi?
eBenin.
Ubla.
eBenin kula eAfrica. Okay wake wa eSwatini.
No Eswatini yesikhenga eSwatini.
Yeah. eBenin it's one of the countries like Africa. Yeah.
No I haven't been what Eswatini yenge ya vele Eswatini.
And then in Nigeria.
No I haven't been Nigeria.
Yeah. But special like lama African countries nimithe nzima kabi.
Yeah true kakhulu ikhona kakhulu. The only place engijwayele uya kuwe kusemaputo.
Yeah.
eSwatini yagcina ekudala eSwatini kodwa yeah but ila ngijwayele ukuya khona kakhulu naseNatal kuphela but lezi ezinye nje maybe ngizoya along the way ngoba imithi vele ayifani vele bathi ayenjwe ndawonye.
Yeah. Mkhulu ayisikhulumile okuningi yazi. Sikhulumile I'm not sure ukuthi did we miss something na but I feel like we missed something yazi.
Is it?
Yeah, I just don't know what is it.
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
Awa.
I feel like we did.
Yeah.
Sabukhumbula. Okay. Hey. Izokuvela. Yakwazi ukuthumela izolo.
Angizazi into lezo mina ngicamba manje.
fanele ujike ebhenini ukwazi ukuthumela izulu
Awa,
umuntu makathoma athi yazi kade ngifuna
ngirek so mina umsebenzi wami ngisiprotect mina protect umuntu ofuna ukushawa ngalezulu okhuluma ngalo ya ukuthi mina ngizoshaya umuntu ngezulu hayi sengibona ngathi sengimthakathi nje straight
but angisho ukukhombisa ukuthi hey bazodlalela la
but khona vele lento le yazona mkhulu because yezo omunye angitshela ukuthi futhi ebugedleni kakhulu ebugedleni mazo phela ubugedleni bakhona bakuthwasa ngoba bayakuphi intabeni nani lapha yavela bathi igedla negedla ifuna ukubona amandla omunye umuntu vele kushawa izulu khona lapha bafuna ukubona ukuthi impela uyigedla noma impela uyinyanga bakhona vele abayenza lento le ngathi kuba khona
namdo uyifunda
awu
ubona ukuthi hey zakubetha ngezulu phela kube kanye ungazongithathela ama chance wena msana ni
awu ngayi ngeke uzofa
Khulu, thank you so much for coming man. Abantu bakuthola kanjani nabakufuna?
Mina ngisefosokasi mkhulu inamba yami ikhona I think inamba yami eWhatsApp nama calls nase Facebook iFacebook ngiwanabadimu Kheswa ngonabadimu Kheswa and then
uMsuthu ne
ya ke Msuthu
okay
and then go TikTok ke Dr Kheswa
Dr Kheswa
yes
so iWhatsApp number yakho bayithole ku Facebook
ya ikhona lapho on my bio nase TikTok ikhona on my bio
okay because bana ukungithwanya abantu basho bafuna inamba but as long as mawushilo ukuthi bangayithola ku Facebook na TikTok it's still fine.
No, ungayishare nama it's
yeah ungayishare nakhona
number yami
I thought uyazi yes
njani
good
number yami is 083 313 5769 WhatsApp and calls
all right ngokusho njalo sayivala leso so me and you we gonna meet on the next one sharp
Chakos.